voina data interpretation kan tilianga he data interpretation kha apoimo wangin exam na pianga he data interpretation hi aron kalve thi na wangin he kan tianga mitam takin shethiam har sign ti mai the ma se he data interpretation hi shethiam har lowa chataka luk le chatak le uluk dewa in ngai thak chuan in shethiam mai don ni interpretation ania interpretation hey data interpretation ania shortcut de open soft the ania chuwang in thatakin ngai thaula in shethiam paringani ama saberin question number 1 the given chart shows the number of students in class 4 class 5 6 and 7 class 4 5 6 7 ania who got first class second class and failed in final exam third a pass nomlo ti na ne mai first na pass oma second na pass po oma a fail po ma se third omlo ti na ne mai ni a question here nia which class has the least number of students who pass which class has the least number of students who passed student a pass lem na ber eng class nge ti kha ne question aron zo hi kan jong chhuak anga hi answer option number 4 class 4 class 6 class 5 class 7 oma hi palian ni wangin hi kan jong chhuak don ani apa zong engkine kan shadow kan ti chon heta first class hi tiangin oma second class le fail hi he ania class 4 apa zong chu miang jang kan ti chon 45 le 12 ani maya 45 plus 12 to 57 ani class 5 apa zong exam nge kan ti chon 38 plus 15 to 53 ani class 6 apa zong chu 42 plus 10 to 52 ania class 7 apa zong chu 30 plus 25 to 55 ani chu wang heta apa stlem na ber chu class 6 ani chu wang in answer chu option number 2 hey class 6 ani next question kan lut nga langa a question hi ai nanga ma se a data hi ai nanga ma se hi question chi ai nang lo ni hi kan jong chok don ni what is the pass percentage of class 4 pass percentage engzan ngen tia class 4 hi ania chu wang in a pass chu ania le a pass zat chu ani chuan 4 a pass zat chu class 4 a engzang kan ti chuan 45 plus 12 chu ni china po kan solve to 57 ania a pass zat hi a pass zat ania a fail zat chu heta 3 ani chu wangin a fail zat chu 3 ani ma se question aron chu pass percentage ania pass zat kha he ania 57 a total chu exam nge class 4 mi exam ngem kan ti chuan hey 57 plus 3 to 60 ania mi somru kanoma percentage ani wangin multiplied by 100 ni maya helei cancel taula 2 3 or 6 2 5 or 10 chu wangin hey 57 le 5 I multiply chuan 285 in muanga divided by 3 hey in divide chuan 95 point something in donani divide to pula a point lampang hi ngai sakwa ngai lo chan chu hetiang hina oma and 95 chia in muzok don 95 chia chu wangin answer hi 95 ani ata option number 4 hi answer ni ngal mai ani next question kan lut ngalanga the given chart shows hypo ainang chiania a question hi a data hi ainanga ma se a question hi ainang lo which class has the highest number of students who pass anti chon heta po kan solve to a pass zat nit heta least number of students who pass atia number lember is the class a pass lember chu enge kan ti chon he ania masa tamber chu enge kan ti chuan class 4 ni chu wangin a data hi enula number za te khai nang vek wangin 57 kan na thei ngal ani heta class 4 ania class 4 hi answer ngal mai ni har sami alo nia. Next question kan lu tanga. The given pie chart represents the percentage of students enrolled in 5 different sports. 5 different sports. Juju. Number 1 of football. Number 2 hockey. Number 3 kabaddi. 4 tennis. 5 cricket. Ania. What is the average number of students enrolled in hockey and tennis together? Hockey le tennis average lak tu rania. Hey average ania aron zo hi. Mania video masatia average zon chwadan karon zirtir to ha hakatuna heta kan mangdo nani hockey kan ti chon hockey chu heti angina oma chu wang he ani maya 26% ania 26% ania hockey total zat khat 200 nakina he ju kan solve mai don ni tennis hi yangzang kan ti chon tennis heti angina oma chu wangin 14 ania chu wangin he 14% ania a difference ania ronzo average ania ronzo chu wangin average kan ti chuan plus angaya kan plus chuan he pani hi 40% kan mua 40% ha total number of students chu sang hi zariat ani wangin multiplied by 2800 kha 40 by 100 multiplied by 2800 he hi students and hockey le tennis a ain enroll zat ani don ni chuan kan cancel anga 4 le 28 in multiply chuan 1120 mudan in mudon ani 1120 chu enge kan ti chuan hei hi hockey le plus tennis hockey plus tennis ania hockey plus tennis an hei hi average chu engzang e kan ti chuan pakhat pani ni wangin 1120 by 2 ania hei hi 26 are 12 25 are 10 26 are 12 chu wangin answer chu 560 option number 1 hei option number 1 ani answer. Next kan du tanga study the given bar chart and answer the question that follows atilia. Production of fertilizer by a company in 10,000 tons 10,000 tons chut tur ania ma se he hi data khap 25 and 25 250,000 tons ti na ni maya hatiang hian chut tur ani. Question chu enge what was the approximate percentage increase in the production of fertilizers from 1998 to 1999? 1998 atrang 1999 in kara percentage increase that 1998 hi heyania 1999 hi heyani chuwangin 1998 a 45 ania 1999 a 65 ania chuwang hi a difference chuang zange kan ti chuan som ni ania hei percentage increase that chu a percentage increase ni loin I increase that shim a production hi 20 ania 220,000 le 2 lakh ti na ni maya achan choi om wangin ma se hi kan chut tel lawanga 20 ani wangin hei percentage increase formula chu enge kan ti chon difference by base year multiplied by 100 ania a difference chu engzang kan ti chuan 20 a base year chu khoya change ti na ni maya from an ti chuan hei base year ni maya khoya change an ti chuan 1998 atang 1998 chu 45 ania 45 multiplied by 100 ania hei kan cancel anga 54 are 20 59 are 45 chu wangin 400 by 9 oma hei divide 1 9 4 are 36 44.44 tin in muanga hei chu 44.45 point ti mai thei hei answer hi option number 1 44.4 heta answer omani. Next question kan du tanga the given pie chart represents the percentage of students enrolled. Hey point ainang cha if 24 students playing cricket are shifted to kabaddi cricket a oma kabaddi a oma heta som ni pali hi heta kalta se atotal hi sang ni zariatania kabadi cricket atang kabadi mi so cricket students dekha kabadi mi som ni pali luta se a ratio. Find the new ratio of the number of students in cricket to those in kabadi atia kanjon chwa tu chu cricket by kabadi hi jon chwa tu rani chu wang nge kan ti don ti chuan cricket zat hakan cricket zat eng zat nge e student na ti kan jon chwa ma sa ka nga ya azo kabadi a post student eng zat nge ti kan jong chwa ka nga azo no 24 students hi kabadi luta se heta a zat atong 24 kan mai na sanga heta kabadi students zat atong 24 kan plus le angai don ani chu wangin cricket chu eng zat yong ti chuan he ania 23% ani maya 23 by 100 into a total kha 2800 ni wangin 2800 kan selanga 23 le 28 in multiply chuan 644 in mudonani khatiang deuin kabadi po eng zan kan de chuan hei ania 12% 12 by 100 into 2800 eng zan kan ti chuan 12 le 28 in multiply chuan 336 in mudonani ma se cricket atang mi som ni pali kan payangai chan chu cricket student ho kha mi som ni pali hi kabadi an lu awangin heta chang 24 in pai chuan eng zan nge kan ti chuan hei ka ziak suala 620 644 minus 24 chu 620 nia heta mi som ni pali te kha heta kabadi an lu awangin 24 kan plus le anga hei chu 336 plus 24 chu 360 kan hudon ani chu wan hei ratio lak tur cricket by kabadi ania cricket hi 620 ania kabadi hi 360 ni 10 le 0 kan in cancel theya 2 is 2 2 8 are 16 2 3 are 6 2 1 is 2 chu wangin answer to 31 by 18 hei chu ratio a chuan 31 is to 18 ani don ani chu wangin answer to 31 is to 18 heta option number 1 aw mani chu wang hei answer ni mai ani. Next question kan du tanga the line graph shows the scores of a batsman in 6 matches. In how many matches was his performance better? In how many matches was his performance better than the previous match? Ti chuan hei match amasa I in anti thadzok na match kha voyeng zat nge ti kha nian zo hei hi solve po ngai lo wa heta hei hi atam zo ka nia atam zo ka wang voi khat heta ania hei hi tam zok asang le zela voi ni ania heta chuan in theilo aniam zo ka ni wang hei pathum na nia voi thum ti na ni mai ani voi thum an ti thazoka voi ni anti thalo ti na ni mai ani chu wang in answer chu option number 3 ni mai ani. Next question kan lu tanga the bar graph shows the number of cars sold by a distributor in its month from January to June ania hei hi January to June oma hei kan jong chho le anga how many more cars did he sell in the second quarter kan ti chuan hei hi itu hei atha ania month an soi wangin 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 hei quarter pakhat hei mun palia thanula hei quarter pakhat ania tuna hemun chau ania soi khat January kha 1 ni ta se hei pathuma le hei pathumin langa how many more cars did he sell in the second quarter hei first quarter ania hei second quarter ania as compared to the first did he sell in the second quarter as compared to the first ati wangin hei second quarter le first quarter in minus 1 asal tamzot kha in shamai dor ni chu wangin hei kan plus anga 110 le 95 le 70 chu 517 275 ania pakhat jok chu 185 60 chu 185 le 60 chu 5 6 to 12 13 14 245 ania hei minus taula 30 in muani som thumin an sal tam jok ti na ni second quarter first quarter a zani somli panga an thala second quarter a zani som sari panga an thala chu ti ni chuan zan som thumin an sal tam jok how many more cards he sell in the second quarter as compared to the first atia som thumin an sal tam jok awangin option number 4 hei answer ni mayani. Next question kan du tanga. The given bar graph represents the percentage of non-electrified villages in 6 states A, B, C, D, E, and F. Study the graph and answer the question that follows. Percentage of non-electrified villages. Non-electrified villages ania. A percentage ani. How many states have at most 30% or less non-electrified villages atia? 30% le 30% aya claim jok village eng zat nge matia village A B C D E L F oma chu wang in heta 30% aya claim 30% atang claim jok kha village eng zari kan ti chom pakhat pani pathum ania chu wang answer chu 3 ni mayani heta option number 3 ni mayani. Next question kan du tanga. The ratio of the total numbers he study the follow which product manufactured le sold ania and product 2013 na unmanufactured at 350 and sold zat kha he ania claim jok shimba as unsold zat shim hi chu wangin he kan jong chhuak anga. The ratio of the total number of units sold in 2014 and 15 to the number of manufactured in 2017 and sold zat 2014 le 16 ania sold zat ania sold he shat to sold zat hi he ania 2014 na engzan nge ansal shim kha 14 a 315 ania 315 2015 na engzan nge kan ti chon 15 a 280 ania 280 he plus ula 95595 hi 2014 le 15 na ansal a to the ratio lak turania to the number of manufactured units manufactured in 2017 manufactured hi ania 2017 na 4.0 ania chu bangin 595 le 4.0 ratio hi ang zat nge ti kha ne question na ron zo hi kan cancel anga 5 in kan cancel anga 5 1 is 5 5 1 is 5 5 9 are 45 5 8 are 40 5 4 are 20 ania he 7 up 7 7 7 7 are 49 7 is 7 7 2 are 14 chu wangin answer to 17 by 12 he chu 17 is to 12 ni mai ni answer the option number 1 he ni answer. Next question kan du tanga. Study the following table which shows the number of units he ai nang cha ama mi nen a data hi a question chuange the ratio of the number of units manufactured in like companies C and E together manufactured C and E together to C and E together he chuang jang kan ti chuan 36 le 54 ania 080 ania he karon zia hatiangin karon zia kher to lo nga in shat thiam karinga he 2000 and 2000 ni lo C le E ania C plus E ania manufactured in kanjia kanga and the number of a ratio lak le turne and the number of units sold by A and D together sold by A and D sold ania he heta po sold ani bangin A le D he pani hi angjat nge 30 le 36 to 66 ania he pani hi ratio lak turania 80 by 66 to 2306 240 he cancel thei to lo in kasya chu wang in a cancel thei to lo cancel thei to lo he ma se mun hi 80 he mun hi 80 ni lo in 90 tur ania 90 he ka zia swal wangin 90 by 66 turan 3 2 or 6 3 2 or 6 3 3 or 9 ania 2 1 is 2 2 1 is 2 2 15 or 30 chu wangin answer chu 15 by 11 he cancel thei to lo wangna ratio hi 15 is to 11 he answer ni 15 is to 11 chu option number 1 ani. Next question kan du tanga hay po data ni nga which company sold the highest percentage of unit manufactured, which company sold the highest percentage of unit as compared to the manufactured tier. Option A option palioma A ania heta A oma A B C E ania A B C le E he chuban hei jon chwa kherangai lo ni heta highest percentage kha jon chwa turania highest percentage an shal zat kha jon chwa turania A hi kan jong chuak ma saber anga A chu unsold zat hi 30 ania 30 unmanufactured zat 42 ni 42 multiplied by 100 ania hei hi 2 or 4 2 1 is 2 2 15 ania 3 7 are 21 3 5 are 15 chu bangin 500 by 11 ania 500 by 11 in divide 1 71 point ti khai modor ni point lam pang ngai sak bak laula B khayang jang kan ti chuan unmanufactured zat hei unsold zat kha 32 ania 32 by 45 multiplied by 100 hei hi 3 1 is 3 2 1 is 2 2 6 are 12 2 in kan cancel thei lo 5 ani angai don ni 32 5 9 are 45 5 2 are 10 chu wang in 64 640 by 9 640 by 9 in divide le chuan 71 point ti khain mun in mole don ani C po khatyang don C po kan jong le anga 26 by 36 multiplied by 100 2 2 1 is 2 2 3 are 6 2 1 is 2 2 8 are 16 2 9 are 18 2 50 13 5 5 3 are 15 1 in hand 650 by 9 650 by 9 in divide le chuan 72 point ti khain mu don ani di hi jon chua ngai lo chan chu option na po heta po option na po om lo sim sim awang in di jon jong chua kher lo anga I kan jong chua ka nga 40 by 54 multiplied by 100 ania 2 2 are 4 2 7 are 14 2 20 ai cancel thei to lo 2000 by 27 2000 by 27 in divide chuan 74 point something mudoni chu wangin question hi which company sold the highest percentage anti wang in highest percentage chu pakhat 71 71 72 74 ne atam ber chu 74 ania heidi E ania wang in answer chu E option number 3 ani. Next question kan du tanga the bar chart given below shows the annual production of coffee of a country for years 2009 to 13 ania the production for the year 2011 production 2011 a engzat nge ti khania is what percentage of the production for the year 2009 a engzat nge 2011 kha sangkhat janga nia eta sangkhat to hei hi kanen chuan sangkhat janga nia 2009 hi heta oma hei hi hemun ania chuwang heta janga ni chon heta sangkhat ania zaruk zasari zariat ani wangin zariat ani don ani hei hi question hituna question atang equation kan siamanga the production for the year 2011 hei ania 1500 is to equal to tirania what percent atia what percent ania of to multiply the production for the year 2009 a 800 ania chu wangin hei hi 0 le 0 kan cancel theya hei hi in transfer chon in kara multiply oma chu wangin transfer chuan divide in a ron kal don ani by 8 1500 by 8 1500 by 8 in divide chuan kan cancel masanga 2 4 are 8 2 7 are 14 2 5 are 10 750 ania hei kan cancel le thei 2 2 are 4 2 3 are 6 2 7 are 14 2 5 are 10 chu wangin 375 by 2 in mo hei in divide chuan 187 point ti khain mu dor ani point lampang heng answer ai number hi ai nang lo vek awangin jon chwa khera ngai lo 187 om na chu option number 3 chu wang hei hi answer ni mai ani. Next question kan lu tanga the bar chart given below shows the annual hei pot ai nang cha what is the average production in 1000 tons of coffee from year 2009 to 11 9 le 11 in kara a average production ania average formula manangaya chu wangin 2009 na engzat nge ti kha ne 2009 na 800 ania 2010 na engjang nge kan ti chuan hei kha nia 1000 1100 1200 1200 ania 2011 na 1500 tania hei hi engzat nge kan plus chuan 00 hei le hei engzat nge 10 15 1 in hand le 33500 ania hei hi average a chuan engzan kan ti chuan hei pakhat panhi pathumani wangin divided by 3 ania 3500 in divide chuan 3 1 is 3 5 oma 3 1 is 3 20 ania 3 6 are 18 20 om le a 6 are 18 khater na kal reng to dona chu wang 1166.66 tiang vel hi 1166.67 hei hi answer ni mai ani 67 le 66 chu akal reng awang 67 an jak mai mai nia chu ban answer hi option number 2 ani. Next question the line chart given below shows the production of cars in 7 different months atia 7 different months ania hei hi production of car in month M4 is what percentage of the production of car in month M2 ni chin min en ai nang trepa month M4 a engzat nge om ti kha ne M4 ya hei hi M4 heta ania M4 hi 24 ania M2 chu engzat nge kan ti chuan M2 hi hei ania 32 ania tu na question akan lutanga production of car in month M4 ania heta M4 chu engzat nge 24 ania 24 is kha equal to ni maya what percent kan ti chuan what percent of production of car in month M2 a 32 ania hei hi kan cancel anga 2 1 is 2 2 6 are 12 2 50 2 8 are 16 2 25 ania 8 3 are 24 ania chu wangin hei le hei cho mai transfer ula hei divide om ani wangin multiply na ron kalanga x equal to 25 multiplied by 3 chu 75 chu wangin answer hi 75% ni mai ani ta 75% answer option number 2 ani. Pie chart ani to pie chart kan lu lenga the pie chart given below shows the import of 7 different items P1 P2 P3 P4 P5 P6 and P7 as a percentage of total imports of a country atia what is the difference between imports of item P6 and imports of item P5 P6 minus P5 ani aron zo P6 hi engzat nge kan ti chuan P6 kha hei tiang ina oma chuan 21 ania minus P5 chu engzat nge kan ti chuan P5 hi hei tiang ina oma P5 hi 12 ti na ni mai ani 21 minus 12 chu 9% hei hi answer ngal mai ani 9% ta option number 4 hei ani answer. Next ai nang cha thawa hei kan solve le anga how many T cars are sold in the city for the given year T car an shal zat khania total hi 60,000 ania 60,000 ania chuwang in T4 hetiang in oma he 21% ni wangin 21 by 100 into 60,000 hey chu in cancel chuan 0 0 nia 6 1 is 6 6 2 are 12 1 2 6 0 0 hey 1 2 6 0 0 hey 60 6 lakhs ani zoka eta 0 pa kan belanga chuan hey answer 12600 0 hey option number 3 ani. Next question kan lu tanga. The pie chart shows the percentage wise distribution of the number of students. Ay nang chialo data hi adang ani to hey question hi ang kan ti chuan. The total number of students in all 5 schools together is 10500 hey shet turnia. The difference between the central angles corresponding to T and R central angle kha T le R hei jon chwa tur central angle kan ti chon circle shima a degree hi entir nan hei right angle kan ti chuan ateng kan tiang right angle kan ti chuan 90 degree ania khatiang deun helam pangpo kalta chei po 90 degree ania nga hei po 90 degree ania chuwan hei plus ula 360 degree mudon ani chuwangin tuna hey circle ani to the difference between central angle corresponding to T and R T le R T hi hey ania R hi hey ania hey omta se da homta ula heta omta se hey zong ni ta se hey min kar hey angle eng zat nge ti khani aron zo hi chuwang in hey kan jong chuak le anga a difference ania ron zo hi plus ania difference to hey in minus anga hey in minus anga difference kha omanga hey difference kha angle eng zat nge ti kha ne hey percent in 9 pe chuwang direct in consult thilo ni. The difference between central angles and corresponding to T and R difference atia T kha eng zat nge a percent zata T hi karon rap lokanga T hi hey 24 ania 24 R hi 12 ani wangin hey a difference to yang zang kan ti chuan 12 thon ani 12% tho ani ma se hey percent in 9 zia ka chan chhe ta percent le ania hey a angle the degree tiang in chat them turin degree a eng zan nge ni don 12% hi hey kan sop na turin 12 by percent kan ti chuan 100 ani wangin multiplied by a degree kha engzat nge kan ti chuan a total degree total degree hi 360 ani ani china heta poka soi to 360 ani wangin 360 kan cancel anga 2 6 are 12 2 5 are 10 ania 6 le 36 in multiply chuan 6 are 36 6 3 are 18 19 20 21 by 5 ania 216 multiplied by 5 hey hi jon chwa turania 216 le 5 kan divide 43.2 hey degree in to ne chan cho hey degree ni wang in 43.2 hi heta option number 3 hey ani. Next question hey kan solve le anga hey don lo ni nakina apoi mo chon hey kan solve le mai don ni achan chu tu na data interpretation ni wangin hey jong hey kan solve man don lo. The following graph hey question shim hi Mizoram state exam aron kal to chuwan hey karon da ania chataka in ngai thak chon suthiam mai don ni. The following graph shows death due to COVID-19 wanga thi tekha 2021 na hetiangin akala January pakhat February le March pakhat April pali May panga tiangin akal chara November le December anyam le a. The question here ange 93 in which quarter of the year was the number of death the highest aniaron zo hi chu wang hei kan jong chuak nga number of death the highest chu engzat nge eng tik nge ani don ti kha nia asoi hi a highest kum chu in a quarter kha ania ron zo quarter kan ti chuan ni china po karon soi to a January February March kha quarter pakhat April May June quarter pakhat June July August September quarter pakhat October November December quarter pakhat ni chuan pali quart kum khat chung hian quarter pali om ti na ni mai ni chu wangin hei hi January February March hei quarter pakhat ania hei hi quarter pakhat hei quarter pakhat ni mai ni chu wangin hei chu pathum ania 425 le 54 chu engzat nge kan ti chuan 54 25 le 4 chu 5 9 13 3 83 heta 83 ania quarter second quarter a third quarter a engzat nge 55 71 92 ania hei 5 7 8 8 ania hei chu 5 plus 7 chu engzat kan ti chuan 12 plus 9 chu 21 218 ania hei 218 pakhat atom na quarter chu engzat kan ti chuan 111 minus plus 64 plus 646 to 11 10 11 12 221 ania 221 ania wangin atamber chu 221 ania 221 chu hei ania October to December ni wangin answer chu option number D hei answer ni mai ni next question kan du tanga hei hi adat lu tu wangin karon rap le mayanga next question kan du tanga what was the average number of deaths in the month during the year 2021 average number of death in the month during the year 2000 mithi omza jongchong a average 2021 hei 2021 chungania mithi omzat average kha engzat nge tia average chu enge kan ti chuan ni china po kan ziak to average equal to sum by total number ania an sum chu engzat kan ti chuan hei 1 1 1 4 25 54 55 71 92 111 64 le 46 in plus angaya 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 25 plus 54 plus 55 plus 71 plus 92 plus 111 plus 64 plus 46 divided by average ki chuan total number ania anoi lam panga number engzan nge heyom kan ti chuan som pani awma chuwang hei hi average mai don ni 1 plus 1 hei zong in plus 1 engzat nge in mu don kan ti chuan hei zong number in plus chuan engzat nge in mu don kan ti chuan 525 in mu don ani by 12 ania heta 12 om wangin 525 divided by 12 to 43.75 ania chu wangin answer to 43.75 option number A hey answer na mai ani question number 20 and 95 hey kan lu lenga in which month was the rise in death maximum over the previous month a maximum antinan heta a maximum kum hemi in kara engzan nge om hemi in kara engzan ngem hemi in kara engzan ngem hemi in kara engzan ngem ti in sian vek apoi mo a ma se option atang jon chwa thini May June September le October ania question ron zo hi chu wang in hi kan jong le anga hi karon ram ma sa anga in which month was the rise in death maximum over atia hemi in kara 21 na oma hemi in kara engzan gyom kan ti chuan 25 le 54 in kara 55 9 29 na oma hemi in kar chu pani chawania man tlak lawania chan chu atam berania kan chon chwa tum chuwang in hemi in kara engzan gyom kan ti chuan 6 7 8 9 10 11 1 11 cha oma min kara engzan gam kan ti chuan 121 na oma min kara 111 le 92 a engzan gam kan ti chuan 111 minus 92 chu 9 10 9 10 0 111 le 92 chu 9 nia 10 1 19 a om ti na ni mai ni 19 oma chu wangin atam na ber chu heta ai pokoron ra panga atam na ber chu heta hemi in karania 29 mi thi som ni pak mei le june in kara mi thi som ni pakwa awma chuban hei hi question hi in which month was the rise of the debt maximum over the previous month athamasa ain atam jok chu hei hi atam ber chu 29 nia chu wang hei chu 54 chu june ani wangin answer chu june ani next question kan lu tanga the given pie chart depicts the marks scored by student in 5 different subjects: maths, social science, science, English and Hindi. The total marks obtained by student is 540. Total marks kha 540 ania. Total marks kan ziak shimanga marks to 540 ania. Hey, what is the central angle for Hindi? Central angle for Hindi kan shall overangin. Hey, vai ni china pakasoi to avai an 360 ni donani. Tu wangin 360 nia hei kan shalo wang in hei to 360 ni dona hei plus sula engzang ani don shim hei plus no 360 nen maina sula heta hemi number hi Hindi hian arun chuak chi adonani chu wang in 90 plus 55 plus 65 plus 80 hei in plus chuan 0 218 hudonani 280 ania a total angle hi 360 ni wangin 360 by minus 280 chu in minus 118 mudon ni chu wang hei po 80 degree ti nani answer hi option number 1 hi central angle for Hindi chu 80 degree hei answer ni mayani. Question number 87 akan lu tanga in which subject does the student score 120 marks ang subject ang score Hindi nge social science social science maths le English a khoi subject ang total mark 120 score na ti khania a total marks hi 540 divided 120 ania 120 a score na mark chu a total mark atang 540 ania total mark chu wangin khoi subject ange ti kan chana turn hei hi avayan 360 ania chu 360 heta kan zia chuan a degree a chuak ber hi a subject concern ningal mai don ni 3 hei kan selanga 9 kan selanga 9 6 are 54 9 4 36 6 2 are 12 chu wangin 80 degree 80 degree ania 80 degree ani awangin 80 degree pani omma se 80 degree pani omma se option a heta engma a question hei hi asan ania chuwang in hei hi engma omlo hei ta engma omlo ngai to la hemi palia answer chu nge ani don ti kha nia 80 degree omna chu science ani wang answer chu science ani Hindi po kan ziak thei ma se ta Hindi kan zia thelo na chan chu heta engma degree omlo wa chu wangin hei kan ziak thelo ani answer ni thelo ani. Next question kan lu tanga how much marks does the student score in maths ha engzan nge score ti khania a degree a 190 degree nia a mark zata engzan nge ni don ti khania chu wangin 90 degree ania by engzat avaian a degree kha 360 ni wang hei hi maths a marks score a degree score za tania a mark a chuan total marks hi 540 ani wang in 540 kan ja kanga hei kha a mark score za tur don ni 9 10 are 90 9 4 36 2 2 are 4 2 5 are 10 2 1 is 2 2 2 are 4 2 7 are 14 chu wang in 27 le 5 chao ma 7 5 are 35 3 in hand 5 2 are 10 11 12 13 135 hi matcha a score zat ani 135 option number option D ani 135 khatiang do in English a score zat in shat du chuan 55 by 360 degree ani van 360 by a total marks 540 tiula answer English a score zat in chamai don ni khatiang don subject dang te po a score zat in jong chuak the ni hei hi voina kan class lak thei kha khatiang thlenga ni anga nakina po reasoning te po thil dang te po kan solve charanga in shat thiam a ol thiang ber le a easy thiang ber thil kan solve don ni ti hi karon chat tirani voina kan solve the tiang thlenga ni kalome